Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Education and Masti. So today we are going to start with some incredible amazing facts. So in this video I will tell you top 10 amazing facts which will blow your mind. So let's start. So basically we know that Earth takes 24 hours a day to rotate or revolve around the sun, but it's totally wrong. Earth takes 23 hours 56 minutes and 4 seconds to rotate on its axis. It's cool, right? Like if we are traveling from plane from one side of the earth to the another side of the earth, then it takes a quite long hour from plane. But if we drill a tunnel straight to the earth and jumped, then it would take only 42 minutes to get to the other side of the earth. It's quite amazing. It will only take 42 minutes to get to the other side of earth. We would like to definitely enjoy that, but that is impossible because there is a core in between which is very very hot. I think you like the. You know, you overdue library books many times. I will tell to ma'am that I will give you after 1 week, ma'am, 2 weeks. But the most overdue library book was written after 288 years. So much overdue, right? We know that the population of human beings on earth is very much. But you know, the world camel population on earth is 19 crore 6 lakh 27,000. It's very much, I guess. So we know there are many fears and many phobias of many things. So there is also a fear of phobia of apples that is called Malus domesticphobia. So this is the fear of apples, right? There are many people who have this phobia also. What a type of phobia? Phobia of apples, also having very big name Malus domesticphobia. I think every phobia has a very very big names. You need to understand its fact. See, Indian housewives hold 11% of the world's gold. That is more than reserves of the US, IMF, Switzerland, and Germany put together. Means there is 100% world's gold. Okay, from that 11% world gold is with Indian housewives only, and this 11% of world's gold is more than the reserve of US, IMF, and Switzerland, Germany we put together. Indian housewives are so wealthy. A very proud fact for India. Listen, we know that India's missile man is APJ Abdul Kalam ji. So the father of India's missile man program visited Switzerland back in 2006. Okay, upon his arrival, Switzerland declared May 26th as Science Day. So when APJ Abdul Kalam arrived Switzerland, so on that day in 2006, May 26th, Switzerland declared Science Day. It is very proud, right? The world's longest name. Now I'm going to tell you the world's longest name. You might have heard very much names in movies also, but the actual world's longest name is Adolph Blaine Charles David Earl Frederick Gerald Hubert Irvin John Kenneth Lloyd Martin Nero Oliver. So this is the world's longest name from A to O. Everything is present. Adolph Blaine Charles David Earl Frederick Gerald Hubert Irvin John Kenneth Lloyd Martin Nero Oliver. Very huge name to say. Now, a cat fact. A cat still contains nearly 10% of all the bones in its body. 100% bones are present, of it 10% is in its bones only. Cat still. We say it is flexible, but 10% is in it only. Very. So, have you ever wondered whenever we go to a doctor why he checks our tongue with a torch at the first instance? Like we have gone for any diseases, first he checks our tongue with a torch. So, why does he do that? What is the reason behind that? So, let me tell you the correct reason behind this. So, our tongue it acts as a mirror of our health. Okay, if our tongue's color is good, what we have that is pink, yeah, pinkish or reddish, so it reflects our health. So certain diseases have the tendency to change the color of our tongue. If we have any diseases, then our tongue would automatically tell the doctor that we have some diseases. It acts as a mirror of our health. It reflects our health, if our health is good or bad. So this is the reason why doctor at first instance checks our tongue whether we are alright or not, because tongue's color changes if we have any diseases. So I hope you have understood all these 10 facts and they might be very incredible and amazing for you. This facts video I am bringing after a very long time. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked, do you like this video? Subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon for latest updates Thanks for watching and bye bye. Keep your health safe. Share with your all friends.